And very ecstatic to announce to our members and our patients that the Philippine College of Physicians will celebrate the National Internal Medicine Week. This event is a cornerstone in our healthcare calendar, highlighting the critical role that internal medicine and its dedicated practitioners play in shaping the health landscape of our country. The Philippine College of Physicians has set aside every December 1 to 7, coinciding December 6 as its founding date of the organization of the Philippine College of Physicians to celebrate and honor the dedication, skill, and impact of internists. Internal Medicine Week will be observed annually to underscore the essential contributions of internists in providing comprehensive care, managing intricate medical conditions, and advancing health awareness among the public. Now, this celebration is grounded in several key reasons that resonate deeply with our healthcare objectives. First, Internal Medicine Week provides an opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the relentless efforts, commitment, and expertise of internists who diligently serve our communities. The second reason would be patient education, which is the cornerstone of this celebration. This remains vital in managing health conditions effectively. And most importantly, Internal Medicine Week will serve as a platform for advocating improved health policies and practices. As we come together to celebrate National Internal Medicine Week, we are inspired by this year's theme, Empowering Health Inside and Out. This theme is a powerful reminder of our responsibility and privilege as internists to influence and enhance the well-being of our patients on multiple levels. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dax Lebrado, for your introduction and what is IM Week all about. I'm pretty sure now we know